Hey everyone, so I recently got my hands on a second-hand X-Trail T30, and while I'm loving it, there's one big problem. The speakers are completely busted. That's why today, we're going to dive in and replace all those factory-installed speakers with some brand new aftermarket ones. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. To kick things off, I ordered 2 pairs of ShuttleLab SL6530R speakers online. They arrived with everything we'll need, the speaker spacers and wiring adapters. Alright, kicking this off right, our very first step is to install all these speakers onto the speaker spacers that came with them. Next up, we're going to secure these speakers to the spacers with the 4 screws provided. Get them nice and snug. Alright, with our speakers prepped, it's time for the next big step. Let's get this door panel off. We're going to gently pop off that tiny cover surrounding the door lock. Removing this plastic armrest is super straightforward. We just need to give it a good pull upwards from the side and it should pop right off. Alright, the final steps before the panel comes off. We're going to gently wiggle off the electrical socket connector and then take out all the screws securing the door panel. Now for the last push to get this door panel off, pull it out from the bottom edge, give it a gentle wiggle and it'll release. Now simply unplug the wiring socket and the 3 bolts holding the speaker in place on the door. Alright, time to get this new speaker in. First, let's snap that wiring adapter onto the factory socket and then tuck it neatly back into the door cavity. Alright, let's connect the speaker wires. Pay close attention to the positive and negative terminals to ensure perfect sound. To wrap up the speaker installation, simply put those 3 bolts back in place that hold it to the door. Now for the fun part, we've got to test these new speakers before we button everything up with the door panel. With our new speakers in, let's reinstall the door panel, working backwards through our removal steps. It'll slide right back into place. And just like that, you've got 1 speaker done. Now, you can repeat these exact same steps for the other 3 doors to complete your full sound system upgrade.